Welcome to our mutual fund reviews. In this video, we talk about Aditya Birla Sun Life Pure Value Fund. When the markets were at its peak, this fund was an investor's favorite. It had some very powerful stocks in its portfolio. Post the sell-off in the mid and small cap segments, it took a big hit and lost its favor. From about 8,000 crores of AUM, it is currently having only 4,000 crores. One advantage with markets is that when there is a big drop in prices, the recovery comes with very high gains. In that manner, all the value funds qualified for this huge gains, and most of them have been showing that in their patterns. In the last 3 months, Aditya Birla Sun Life Pure Value has gained 21%, fairly decent gains matching its peers in the group. 5-year returns still stays at a poor 1.2%. This gives lot of scope for large gains in the future. What is positive in this fund now? ABSL Pure Value is a well diversified fund which has diluted exposures in some sectors that are yet to show any kind of strength. That is the strategy of these funds, to pick value bets from beaten down stocks. Buying a stock before the price runs up gives the edge to have very big gains. Among the diversification in stocks, there are some concentration in sectors that are presently doing extremely well. Those are the leaders of present market like healthcare, cement, metals, auto, software and chemicals. ABSL Pure Value has 43% exposure in these top performing sectors. Among their holdings, stocks like Lupin, Deepak Nitrite, Tata Consumer, Cipla are very strong ones which have potential for big future gains. There are some weaker bets like high exposure to finance sector which has at present is going through severe pain. This needs some correction. Can we invest in this fund? ABSL Pure Value performance has been getting strong and has lot of scope for future gains. Investors can look at having this fund in their portfolio with some exposure using a stop at 41.08 on its NAV. The current NAV is 43.24, thereby having a risk of 4.40%. In the current market, almost all the funds are carrying about 4.5% risk today. Invest with stop loss protection and trail it. When it gets hit, we are out. This protects our capital and profits. Next, how long to be invested would be the question in your mind. At the speed at which the NAV of the fund is traveling, in about 5 to 6 weeks, it should cover all the opening risk that we take if we are entering it now. Further to that, it will be locked gains. Hold on as long as the fund is performing and not hitting its stop. Generally, uptrends hold for 15 to 20 weeks. Would you have any queries on the funds we have discussed on our channel or funds that you have in your portfolio? Please write to us on the comments. We shall review them for you. Next, coming to pharma funds update, pharma sector continued its rocket speed with steep gains in this week too. All the funds that we have recommended have added 2% more profits to their already 15% locked gains. In 3 months, investment in pharma funds have given 17% locked profits. Stops for all the funds we discuss on the channel are provided on our website. Please follow the link on the description to get to the page. Most of the funds are carrying about 4.5% risk on their current NAV. We are observing that risks are coming down of late. This is both a caution and an advantage. Let's play safe using stops, which will help protect our capital and profits. Happy investing.